Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to delve into a common problem that many users face when working with sudo commands. The problem arises when attempting to use the sudo command with the U flag to switch to a user with the necessary privileges, but finding that the command does not actually change users as expected. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're certain that the U flag should prompt you for the designated user's password. In this situation, the solution lies in understanding the true purpose of the U flag. Rather than prompting for the designated user's password, the U flag is used to specify which user you want to become after passing the authentication check. To achieve the desired outcome, there are two simple steps you can follow. First, have the normal user run su admin to switch to the admin user, using the target user's password for access control. Then, once switched to the admin user, run sudo whatever to execute the desired command as the root user, with access controlled by sudoers. Solution aside, it's essential to grasp that sudo is designed to grant access directly to the invoker's account without relying on another administrator's password. This contrasts with the traditional su command, where knowledge of the root password grants access. Linux's admin access architecture differs from Windows, as running commands via sudo specifically executes them as the root user. While sudo provides the functionality to switch users, the U option is intended to specify the target user to become instead of root. If you're seeking a mechanism akin to Windows UAC, explore the policy kit system, which prompts for an admin's password when necessary, unlike sudo's direct access approach. In summary, when facing issues with sudo commands not switching users as expected, remember the importance of comprehending the U flag's purpose and consider utilizing the two-step process outlined earlier. Understanding the distinctions between sudo and policy kit can enhance your user experience and streamline administrative tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Your feedback keeps this channel going.